Uh, see students, just judiciary under political science. Just I am making you refresh. You know already we have mentioned, but again I want to tell you about that one. Okay. So in this, what is judiciary? You may have heard this term, right? Or you may have heard the term like law, legal advice. So you may have heard those terms over there. So what I wanted to tell you, law or legal, and from there you are getting the word called advocate, barrister, right? And in the supreme power in this, Chief Justice of India, who has been appointed by President of India, right? So any decision which are being given, which may be disputed, will be given by the court, right? So we are having three types of court in India, as mentioned earlier. Supreme Court, highest, followed by down, right? High Court, and below down is the District Court. Now students, please understand what the judiciary says. Independent body to settle down disputes between individuals, groups, or government. So please understand, you have to get some examples from that. You have to get some examples from that. For example, you know there is a long-term disputes are coming, Kaveri water, right? But in Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. So there are other cases also. For example, Bhakra Nangal water, which is located in Punjab. So they don't want to give supply to the Haryana. So government, all the decision also takes place, state government decisions. Okay, in the groups, right? When there is a conflict between the groups, it may be due to the political or maybe to any other thing. So there are many examples can be given. So judiciary will give the current, conclude, concurrence decision, right? Now recently we have seen individual decision. I want to tell you about the Nirav Modi, right? And apart from that, Vijay Mallya. Now these people have taken a lot of around 10,000 crore loan they have taken from the bank, right? And they have flown away outside India. That amount we are not able to come up. So the court will give decision to get those people, but once they are outside India, it is very difficult for us to catch those people. So individual also the court will give the decision to arrest them. So again, you understand that Supreme Court is the highest court and above them is the Chief Justice of India. All the judges under Supreme Court, 25 members will be there and all will be appointed by the President of India, right? They will be appointed. And only one person can challenge Supreme Court decision, that is only the President can challenge. But generally President will not involve in most of the cases. Maybe one case out of 1,000, right? If the judge give any decision related to any hand to death or life sentence or death sentences. So do not forget, the court plays a vital role in all the cases. So High Court will be there and District Court will. Every state will have a High Court, and there are famous High Court. You may have seen some decision related to the Madras High Court, or it may be Kolkata High Court, right? Now, there are certain terms which have been described. Special powers, public interest litigation, I want to explain that one also, and Lok Adalat and fast track. Now before, I want to make you that retirement age highest in the government is the judges only. Those who are the judge in the Supreme Court or Chief Justice of India, they will retire at the age of 65. Others, like if you take doctors, it will be 60 years. If you take teachers, 58 years. In the defense also 57 years, 55, 57, Army, Air Force, Navy. So this is the only where the judgment decision is the highest in India, right? And this is controlled by the government. Now here, when we talking of the special powers, what are the special powers are given? If any decisions to be given for any cases, so there will be 5 or 3 judges. So 3 or 5 judges will consist for making any decision, and the decision can be appealed. Okay, from the apart from the court, CBI may also can be taken up. So judges are available in all the departments, right? They will have their legal advisor, like banks, they will have their legal advisor people, those who have studied law, and they will be making it over there. Now, please understand, it's a very, very easy, and understand with your own concept, you need to write it over there, right? We have a describe about the PIL, public interest litigation. Now you have seen recently we got a temple in Ayodhya. So on the part of the public interest, the temple of Bhumi Pujan was made. At the same time, the respect of the Muslim religion, they have made, given a piece of land for the mosques also. So when the majority people say that okay, what we need, so definitely there will be a chances will take place. For example, when we construct a railway line or airport and some houses are coming of the private sector, so those will be demolished and they will be given compensation. Okay, again I repeat, when the airport is being made or a railway station are being made, it will, the houses which comes in their track, it will be demolished. Now recently you can see metro trains are being made in the so many sectors, right? So these, when we take any type of decision, those houses which are demolished or which will be taken by the government for the government scheme, they will be given the present rate ratio money, they will be given up. So they will take care, all the legal advisors will take care to finish off those things. Now Lok Adalat and fast tracks, these are the special Lok Adalat and fast tracks are made in every city, in every district. It will be made up to finish off the cases very, very fast. To finish off the cases very, very fast, because most of the cases may hang for the long, especially now during this pandemic time. A lot of cases are hanging and there is a shortage of judges also. So please understand that a person can approach, if he is being convicted, for the legal advice from the government advocate, as well as he can knock the door of the private advocates also. So judiciary is very, very important. Some of the terms are used in this, that will be explained to you. Now you need to understand that what are the steps to be taken. Do not forget, when we are talking of the district or local court, right? This decision has to be done by the district and local court for small decision. Okay, for example, any small crime has taken place, it may be murder or it may be stealing, that has to finish off the things over there. If that judgment is cannot be solved in the district, then it has to be transferred to the high court, because if it contains the persons from the other state, definitely then we need to involve the other states people to take care of that. And if the high court also not able to finish off the case, definitely it will transfer to the Supreme Court. So what I want to say again, please understand, small decisions will be under the Supreme Court, right? Very, very small. Supreme Court will never involve that decision. Again I repeat, okay, Supreme Court will never see the issues which are very petty issues. They will never bother for that one. They have to finish, and for that, even on the Sundays and other special days, fast track and Lok Adalats will be running to finish off, like dowry cases will be there, right? So those cases will be finished off very, very fast. A person who have drank and have drive or ride the bike or the vehicle and met with an accident or did some accident, mischievous thing. So that also will be done in the fast track and Lok Adalat. That cases will not be contained still here. So it is a very, very easy chapter, understanding chapter, and it will show the impacts of a judge, of an advocate, and we say sometimes with the barrister also. So students, you find it out who is the present Chief Justice of India, and Supreme Courts are the places where they are located. Okay, till I come. Thank you so much. Take care and always take healthy food with hot water. Thank you so much.